Did you know the most conservative treatment for snoring and sleep apnea is having a dental appliance made to wear during sleep? This gently moves the lower jaw forward, causing positive changes in tongue position and airway. Oral appliances have many advantages over other therapies, as they are less expensive, non-invasive, easily accepted by patients, and they're reversible. Our dental office is a special member of the sleep apnea team, as we can perform an exam to determine where the blockage is and what is causing the obstruction. Contact us if you think you have a snoring or sleep apnea problem.